Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Land. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all? So, welcome to most expected sessions, most expected questions from NEET examination from the Infinity Land YouTube studios. So, every day the students are attending our classes and getting a benefit of all these sessions. So, right? Can you all able to hear me? Please confirm in the chat box. My dear students, here today we are going to come up with the topic Arenes NEET most expected questions. So before starting of the session, so oath of the day, crack your NEET examination. That is the everyday oath. Why it is? Because we meant for that, we determined for that. So attend the class without any fail. If you not able to attend the class, you just attend the sessions, watch the sessions on recorded basis, and if you still have any doubts you can write in the comment box and we can have the discussion about that, and every comment is going to be honored. So use the chat box and take a pen and paper and solve along with me. So if any doubt you can discuss in the chat box, right? So I just want to give you two promotional slides here. In the Google App Store you're going to find Infinity Learn app, and you can download it and you can see live classes, mock test, create your own test, 24/7 doubt resolutions, and which is absolutely free and you can enjoy it, right beta? And very important thing I just want to say, NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, it is specially designed for the NEET examination aspirants, and whenever you are preparing for something, it is required to understand where exactly you stay and what is your confidence level. And for that we have 27 AITS examination and 13 unit tests, 4 part tests and 10 grant tests based on NEET examination pattern, and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test, and 25 NEET topic wise PYQs, and 3 physics chemistry books along with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions on benchmarking with your Sri Chaitanya students. It cost about 5,999, and when you apply YouTube 50 coupon code you are going to get it for 2,999. It is very simple and it is cheap and you can do it. And promotion is over, and let us start the questions. Right? One thumbs up and fire emoji everybody to before we start the class. Yeah, so there are hundreds of students are there in this live chat. Okay, come on, let's see the first question of the day. I want to know the correct order of reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution of the compounds aniline, benzene and nitrobenzene. So expecting answer from you guys. Make it fast. Simple NEET examination level questions, or you want me to discuss a simple direct to influences concept is also available with me in the right now. You want me to discuss, you please let me know in the chat box so that we can have that discussion, right? So what is the answer for this question? So what is aniline? What is aniline here? Amino benzene is called aniline, right? And it is a benzene, and it is a nitrobenzene. So aniline, so what is the nature of this aniline? So the lone pair of electrons are there. You see, simply lone pairs of electrons are there. So this can be given by using positive mesomeric effect plus M or plus R effect, my dear children, while you can see this is having a minus M effect, negative mesomeric effect. So the reactivity is increased due to electron releasing effect, reactivity is decreased due to electron withdrawing effect. So it is more reactive and it is least reactive, so that I would say 1 and 2 and 3, and reactivity towards electrophilic aromatic substitution is going to be 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. So that is the important thing. So my answer for this question is going to be 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt, my dear children? Fine. Let us see one more question. If you have any doubt, you please feel free to ask in the class. So click on the bell icon so that you can have the session notification for every session, right? Get ready. One more question. The strongest reactivating effect on the aromatic ring. Strongest deactivating. When you see CH2Cl, and OCH3, and you have CH3, and you have CCl3. Somebody, I am expecting an answer from the chat box, children. What is the nature of this? It is having a strong minus I effect, okay, and it is having plus M effect, and it is having positive hyperconjugation, positive inductive effect also, right? And here it is having super electron withdrawing nature, okay, and it is going to have strong minus I effect and reverse hyperconjugation, minus hyperconjugation. Peculiarly it is a reverse hyperconjugation. रिवर्स हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन की वजह से स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होगा on attached to aromatic ring, that is your benzene. So that my answer for this question is going to be D. Bachcho, hope you are understanding these questions, and if you still have any doubts, you please feel free to ask me, and you want me to discuss any concept related to this, I am ready. Please let me know further any doubts, my dear children. Come on, next question. Yes, it is. Further moving ahead, which of the following is maximum reaction for nitration? So it's a logical question. You just tell me. It is given which of the following is maximum reactive towards nitration? Here it is a benzene, it is a toluene, it is a cumene and ethyl benzene. If it say here it is ethyl benzene, CH2 and CH3, if it is a cumene over here, and over here it is a toluene. Nothing is there, here it is a benzene. So always maximum reactivity in electrophilic aromatic substitution. You need to check whether it is having a positive mesomeric effect. Check for positive mesomeric effect and a positive hypoconjugation and a positive inductive effect. In this case, you have positive mesomeric effect. Nobody is having positive mesomeric effect. Everybody is having a positive inductive effect, and here is also positive inductive effect, and here is also positive inductive effect, positive inductive effect, right? So in this case, yeah, in this case there is no effect over here. Let's see. So what is the speciality in this? Because of this is having hyperconjugation is maximum. hyperconjugation is maximum. Yashasya Sharma, hyperconjugation is maximum because 3 hyperconjugating hydrogens are there. So there are 3 hyperconjugation hydrogens. Here hyperconjugation hydrogens are 1, only this is eligible, and here hyperconjugation is there and it is 2. Okay, सब में inductive effect है, but hyperconjugation इसमें ज़्यादा है, and here you can say hyperconjugation is more effective as compared to inductive effect. So I would give you option B is the correct answer. Okay, Yashasya Sharma, hope you understand. So the option B is the correct answer. So NEET examination, this kind of questions are very important. Okay, so even people think like this, it has more inductive effect, but you can see hyperconjugation is there. Hyperconjugation is more effective as compared to inductive effect. So that I want to go with option B is the correct answer for this question. So NEET examination, you will be trapped with the given options. Yes, got it. Thank you very much, and you talk to me if you have any doubts. And order of decreasing reactivity towards electrophilic reagent for the following: benzene, toluene, chlorobenzene and aniline. Expecting an answer, my dear children. Yashasya Sharma, come on. So it is about the benzene. So it is your benzene and it is your toluene and it is chlorobenzene and it is going to be anisole. What is anisole? I forgot. Somebody help me to do. Anisole. Methoxybenzene is called anisole, OCH3. So let us identify what is the nature of this. In this scenario, you can say this is having positive inductive effect and a positive hyperconjugation. Abhishek Raj, hi. And you can see it is having a very strong minus I effect and positive mesomeric effect, weak, very weak positive mesomeric effect, so that we don't consider. As far as halogens are concerned, consider inductive effect as compared to the mesomeric effect. Good afternoon, Maunika. Kaise hai beti? And you can see this is going to be positive mesomeric effect. So this is going to be positive mesomeric effect. So positive mesomeric effect, and this is A, and this is B, C and D. You have to analyze each and every structure. You learn a special method and a special style to answer NEET examination questions, my dear children. Okay, Abhishek Raj, come on, Maunika. So positive M का वजह से anisole ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा react होगा, and you have positive inductive effect and a positive hyperconjugation की वजह से toluene ज़्यादा reactive होगा, and negative inductive effect की वजह से ऑप्शन सी कम से कम reactive होगा, and ये comes here. So मेरा ऑप्शन DBAC, DBAC. So मेरा ऑप्शन कहाँ है? DBAC. Answer is going to be C. Okay, Abhishek Raj and Maunika, Yashasya Sharma, hope you understand clear. Feel free to ask a doubt. Okay, come on. Let us move ahead for one more question, right? You see, in the next NEET examination, this is the kind of questions you are going to expect it. Fine. Next. Among the order of decreasing reactivity towards, again, electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So more reactive, less reactive. CF3, CF3 super deactivating. OCH3, it is going to be super activating, and here it is going to be hyper conjugation. So 3 is more reactive, 3 is more reactive, okay, and hyperconjugation 1 is more reactive, then nothing is there in the benzene, 2 is more reactive, and super deactivating कम से कम reactive होगा. So this is the decreasing order, 3 1 2 4, 3 1 2 4. So my answer lies here, option B. Yes, Abhishek is given, Maunika is given, Sakshi, hello, Sakshi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Any doubt to explain over here? Let me know quickly. Yeah, that's pretty clear. Now the number of possible dichloronitrobenzene. Everybody take a pen and paper, solve it. Take a pen and paper, solve it. How many are coming? So Maunikam, you got 3. How it is? Waiting for other options. I have an answer with me. कम से कम लिखना है. Okay, Abhishek want to say 6. Okay, and Yashasha and Sakshi Beti, come on. Hi. Ashik, hello. Hi. 4 maybe. Are be confident, Yashasha. Okay. Muhammad, you want to say? Yes, it is 6. 6 are coming. 6 are coming. How you can see this is your dichloronitrobenzene. This is your nitrobenzene. 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4. And 2, 6, 3, 6, okay, 3, 4, okay, 3, 5, and 2, 5. There are 6. 6 are possible. You just check it. Just check it. If you find anything more than this, please let me know. I am going to give you the answer. How many number of possible dichloronitrobenzenes? Dichloronitrobenzenes. That's perfect. That's perfect. Next question. What is this? The major product formed when monobromination of phenyl benzoate. Super awesome question. Monobromination of phenyl benzoate. So there are 4 options are given. You want me to give which option? Will you do or you want me to do? Okay, definitely I'll explain. Sure. First of all, the name phenyl benzoate is given. So half of the students who are writing a NEET examination will fall down what is phenyl benzoate. है ना? So I'll tell you what is a phenyl benzoate. So let it be This is phenyl benzoate. This is your benzoic acid, and this benzoic acid is ester with a phenyl group. So this is your phenyl group. So this is called phenyl benzoate. Okay. When you talk about this phenyl benzoate, you want to say D, yeah, B and D, not C. Of course, major, minor देखना पड़ता है यशस्वी शर्मा. Okay, let us see here. Let me expand the structure आपके लिए. Look at this, is going to be negative mesomeric effect, while this is going to be positive mesomeric effect. This is going to be positive mesomeric effect. So, a positive mesomeric effect का वजह से ring is going to be this but not this. This is reactive. अगर ये रिएक्ट होगा तो ओके आपका ब्रोमिनेशन यहाँ हो सकता, यहाँ भी हो सकता. ओके सो यह स्टेरिक ज़्यादा रहता है, यह स्टेरिक कम से कम रहता है. सो दैट ये ब्रोमिनेशन के आपका जो मिलता है प्रोडक्ट, ओके मेजर प्रोडक्ट आता है इसका Br. So this is the major product. Now Yashasya Sharma, you can also say here ये थोड़ा सा कम होगा. So Ashik, whatever the answer you given, answer is going to be D is the correct answer. Okay, perfect, clear, wonderful. So this is the appropriate solution for that. Monica, next question, the major product of the following. Who is going to give this major product of the following? It is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation of Anisole NCERT textbook. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this is anisole, it is having a positive mesomeric effect, so that the product ऑर्थो में आ सकता है, पैरा में भी आ सकते हैं, है ना. सो among ऑर्थो एंड पैरा, पैरा is going to be the major product. ठीक है. Now let's see here exactly what is happening. CH3 twice, look at this, CH3 twice and CH2Br. When it is treated with AlCl3, it is going to be a carbocation, CH3, CH and CH3 and CH2. It's a primary carbocation here. Primary carbocation has an ability to rearrange itself, है ना. So the carbocation is going to hydrate shift करने के बाद इसका मिलेगा CH3 and CH3 and CH3 and plus. Now this is a tertiary carbocation which is more stable. Now ये tertiary carbocation anisole को अटैक करने तो क्या होगा, पैरा पोजीशन में अटैक करने का कोशिश करता हूँ, so that it attacks at a para position. आपका जो मिलेगा प्रोडक्ट OCH3 and it is going to be C and CH3 and CH3 and CH3. Para position, my answer is going to be D for this. Monica, hope you understood this explanation. Clear? Why you want -1? Yes, it's a trap. Ashik, it's a trap. The questions are framed in such a way that the elimination process starts in the ranking. Abhishek Raj, everybody is trying to give B, but its answer is going to be D. Fine. Monica, any doubt? -5. How it is -5, dear? Okay, come on, next question. Then in the nitration of the benzene with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, the active species involved. Active species means attacking reagent, not the intermediate. Attacking reagent. Exactly. Ashik, +4. You say +4. Muhammad Ashik, make it +4. खुश है बेटा? So, नाइट्रेशन उसमें क्या होता है? H2SO4 being a strong acid, H plus and HSO4 minus, है ना? Yes, it is +4 and HNO3 yes, HNO3 is a strong acid and it acts as a Lewis base. It acts as a Lewis base. Surprisingly, it acts as a Lewis base. A strong acid behaving like a base. So, chemistry is super awesome when you try to learn the things, huh? OH is a poor leaving group and become a good leaving group. Abhishek Raj, yes, your answer is correct, I said. And it is lost as a water molecule. तावी आपको मिलेगा. It is going to be, you can also say NO2 plus nitronium ion. This nitronium ion is going to hit this pi electron system of the nitrobenzene. Okay, so it forms a sigma complex. And this forms a sigma complex. I don't want to show the resonance hybrid, okay, all the resonating structures. By the loss of proton now here, you will be getting nitrobenzene as a product. Got it? So, the active ingredient for this is going to be nitronium ion. So, my answer for this question is going to be D. Yes, that's wonderful, that's wonderful. One more question. Sulfonation differs from most of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. with the fact that the reaction is. Answer? The answer for this question is, let's go back. I just want to show you golden reactions of benzene. Golden reactions of benzene. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, golden reactions of benzene. Everybody take a pen and paper. Take a pen and paper and write this. Benzene react with chlorine in the presence of FeCl3 or any Lewis acid, AlCl3, whatever. You are going to see the chlorobenzene. This process is known as halogenation. In that, the active ingredient for this is going to be Cl plus is the electrophile. Cl plus is the electrophile. Hi Jack. Join the class from Uganda. Congratulations. All the best. And participate in the discussion. When benzene reacted with HNO3 and H2SO4, you are going to get nitrobenzene, and this process is called as nitration. Okay, and in that active attacking reagent is going to be NO2 plus. It is going to be NO2 plus, right? When benzene reacted with SO3 and H2SO4, you are going to get benzene sulfonic acid, and the attacking species is going to be sulfur trioxide. And benzene react with alkyl chloride in the presence of a Lewis acid. We are going to see alkyl benzene. This is what is called as a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Their attacking reagent is alkyl carbocation. The alkyl carbocation can rearrange, and due to this Friedel-Crafts alkylation, polyalkylation takes place due to ring is further activated. And whenever benzene is reacted with acid chloride, it is going to get acyl benzene, and for this you need to know the active reagent is going to be RC double bond O plus, or you can see its resonance hybrid. Okay, so whatever it is, acylenium ion is the attacking reagent. This is what is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, alkylation, acylation. These are the 5 golden reactions of benzene, and the sulfonation is different from all these because of its reversibility, because of this is reversible process. Got it? Reversibility is the important one. Monica, you want to say it is A is the answer for the previous question. Everybody make a note of it. You like this? You like it? Wonderful. Right? So, let's go back to our discussion. Let's go back to our discussion. So, based on this, the answer for this question is going to be it's a reversibility. It is a reversible. Option A is correct. Yeah. So, how are we doing from Isaac, Muhammad Ashik, Abhishek Raj? Next question, please. Here it is. Cumene treatment with KMnO4 gives. Cumene treatment with KMnO4 gives. What is cumene? CHCOO CH3 and it is going to be CH3. So this is your cumene. Okay, KMnO4 and it is oxidized. You are going to see the formation of COOH. Na alkyl benzene on treatment with KMnO4 gives benzoic acid. Condition क्या? Condition is very important. Condition में क्या? Buddy bros, something is written in different language, even I cannot read it. Okay, condition is number 1. At least there should be at least one benzoylic hydrogen should be present. At least one benzoylic hydrogen should be present, or else two. What is that? The benzyl carbon should bear at least one pi bond. At least one pi bond. That is the one. It's written in Malayalam. Okay, let it be. Okay, so this is a class which is intended for the preparation of NEET examination. Students are doing a lot of hard work and using this YouTube platform, and they are getting super benefits from us. So let us use this chart and let us maintain the chart decorum and all. Okay, so don't misuse the chart. Okay, I think hope you can cooperate with us, and let the chart box should give the encouragement for the every student in the class. My dear children, right? And one more question. One more question. Yeah, it is going to be B is the answer. Maunika, you got it? Ashik, Abhishek? Benzene react with CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives. You only have to tell the answer. Everything is ready for you. Everything is ready for you. Fast, fast, fast. What is there in the benzene react with CH3COCl in the presence of AlCl3? It gives rise acetophenone. Okay, this is what is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acetophenone. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Not C, it is D. Okay. Correct yourself, Isaac. Shokri Isaac. Next question. Something is written. Toluene react with Br2Fe, Br3. You got a major product. It is asked clearly as a major product. And what is the major product? What is the major product? You want to say C? Yes, it is a positive inductive effect. Because of the positive inductive effect, okay, and a positive hyperconjugation, ring activation takes place. Because of ring activation, it is going to be ortho and para, and the para is the measure when it comes to ring activation, because ortho little bit of steric hindrance takes place. So Ashik is given, Muhammad Ashik is given option C, which is actually correct. Monica, correct. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Now one more question, my dear children. So benzene gives rise, nitrobenzene in the nitration mixture, given reaction is an example of. One of the hydrogen present on the benzene is replaced by nitro group. So it is a substitution reaction. So who is substituting? An electrophile. NO2 plus is an electrophile. Substitution electrophilic reaction on the aromatic ring. So SEAR. So my answer is going to be option A is the correct, EAS. Okay, substitution electrophilic aromatic ring. And here you can see a benzene, some reagent is given. Of course, this is going to substituted. Okay, so what is going to be the intermediate? We discussed this. One of the hydrogen is replaced. Okay, look at this hydrogen, and when electrophile attacks, so it goes and attacks over here, and this is resonance stabilized. When this is resonance stabilized, it is going to give you various forms of this, and this is what is called as sigma complex. This is what is called as a sigma complex or Wieland complex or Wieland intermediate. So the answer for this question is going to be B. No. Okay, yes, of course, A, B, C, all of this. Answer is going to be D. Answer is going to be D. Correct? Clear? Right. Arenium ion, sigma complex, Wieland intermediate, it is non-aromatic, and non-aromatic cyclohexadienyl carbanion. Diene. Perfect. Next, the most reactive towards nitration, substitution electrophilic aromatic reaction, जिसमें पॉजिटिव मिसोमेरिक इफेक्ट ज़्यादा है उसमें reactivity भी ज़्यादा होगा. Here you can see super activating, positive mesomeric effect, positive resonance effect, and CH3 you are going to get positive inductive effect, positive hyperconjugation. Okay, here is also positive mesomeric effect, but you have cross conjugation. ये क्रॉस कॉन्जुगेशन का वजह से इसका इफेक्ट इस तरफ कम होगा, and it is going to have sterically hindered. So positive mesomeric effect is sterically hindered, steric inhibition of resonance है, so ये कम reactive होगा. So most reactive option A hoga. So there is no hindrance. Option A is the perfect answer for this. Bacho, got it? Clear? Now, which of the following compound gives benzoic acid when react with hot KMnO4 followed by acidification? Any benzene, substituted benzene, when react with KMnO4, hot KMnO4 gives rise benzoic acid. Condition kya? Just I mentioned you what are the conditions. Condition. So there should be at least one pi bond on benzyl carbon or there should be at least one benzylic hydrogen. Benzylic hydrogen. Either this condition or that condition or both conditions are there, no worries. Okay, it is a benzyl carbon. So benzyl carbon का pi bond है, ये कर सकते. This is a benzyl hydrogen, ये भी कर सकते. This is a pi bond, ये भी कर सकते. So my answer for this question is going to be D. So in my class, I am telling my dear students, I am giving you the best, and a question can be answered by using a trick. Tricks are also being given. Monica, hope you like this. Abhishek Raj, Isaac, Muhammad Ashik. Wonderful. Yes, that's good. So one more thing. Yeah, option D. Are nitration करो जल्दी. Nitration. Who will give it? So this is ring activation, positive mesomeric effect, and this is a super deactivating. So whenever activation and deactivation is there, you have to listen to him, not to him. So this nitration takes place according to this. So it can have at ortho position and para position. So para position is already blocked, so that you have to go with B only, this. So my answer for this question is going to be B. Monica is already given, Abhishek is given, so answer is going to be B. Perfect. Clear? Next, how many pi electrons are there in the following? How many pi electrons are there in the following? Six. Okay, see, Muhammad Ashik, look at this. Yes, I really appreciate the answer given by you. Now you can see here, This is the electron, this is the electron, this is the electron, this is the electron, and these are the electrons, and this electron is participating in resonance. So, as a result of this, now the total localized electrons comes like this. So, total 6 electrons I could see. My answer for this question is going to be Monica 6, Muhammad Ashik 6, Abhishek 6. Wonderful answer, wonderful answer. Okay, next. Ease of ionization to produce the carbocation and the bromide ion under the treatment with Ag plus will be maximum in. So, what you are asked to say here, which forms the stable carbocation. If this is lost, na, you are going to see a carbocation over here. If this is lost, na, you are going to see a carbocation over here. This is going to see the carbocation over here, and this is going to see the carbocation over here. This is the least stable. Therefore, this cannot be the answer. This is allyl, and this is anti-aromatic, so this cannot be the answer. So, answer could be this or answer could be this. है ना? So, what happened? Because of this is going to be resonance stabilized, because of this resonance stabilized, and that is aromatic. Of course, aromatic is super stable as compared to the allylic, just resonance, and here resonance and aromatic. My answer for this question is going to be B. Organic chemistry, yes, exactly, back bonding you can say Muhammad Ashik, and organic chemistry can be answered by using such type of methodologies. Everybody try to inculcate that one, right? So, answer for this is going to be B. Answer is going to be B. Clear? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Next, one more question, dear children. You only have to answer this. You only have to answer this. Muhammad Abhishek. So, whenever this is reacted with SbCl5, if it lose as a Cl minus, you are going to get a positive over here, and you are going to get a positive over here. So, that it is going to be 2 plus, and it is going to be aromatic. It is going to be aromatic. So, that option B is the correct answer. Both will not be. If it forms like this, na, it is anti-aromatic. This is not possible. This is anti-aromatic. Fine. Now one more question for you. Answer is going to be B. So everybody kept quiet. Electrophile NO2 attacks the following, in which case NO2 plus will attack at the meta position. Logic. Apply the logic, everybody, come on. So you should not keep quiet and discuss with me with the maximum extent, and you will be having a great perk after these classes. So that is nothing but your NEET examination. Come on. Maunika? Muhammad Ashik. Yes, it is C you want to say. It is ring deactivating, so that it is going to be meta position. It is ring deactivating, so meta position. It is super activating, so that it is going to be ortho and para, and it is going to be meta as well. Okay, for this you can say 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Option B is the correct answer for this. Perfect, perfect. Option B. So that is the spirit you need to know. Don't lose your tempo. Okay, why you have given C, I don't understand. Don't understand. Okay, now let's talk about increasing order of the following electrophilic substitution reaction is. Simple. It's pretty simple. It is negative mesomeric effect, positive inductive effect, positive hyperconjugation, and no effect. So what happened? 1 is more reactive than 2 is more reactive than 3, right? So the answer is going to be A. So like that, every day we are coming with various types of questions. Monica, Abhishek, right? So never give up. So tomorrow I want to give you the concept based on haloalkanes and haloarenes, in that elimination and substitution reactions and various types of things. So get ready and prepare well, and you come tomorrow's class so that we can have an excellent discussion. Hope you enjoyed class, Monica and Muhammad Ashik and Abhishek, right? So say bye bye, thank you, and we are done from our side. God bless you. And signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land. Thank you very much. See you.